Yeah, crash off of my bike. So that and I no crash, my crash. You see me I say? Somebody ride out, somebody drive out for me, and me I try stop the bike and the bike flip with me and drop for me. You see me I say? I don't know if I can show it over here. I can't show them something there in my background. This are not cutting, this are just for them put something in my hand and sit. You see me I say? No, I can't show it over here. Yeah, but I received 5 stitches, some medication, and some other bruise. My body just so chip off. My side right is so chip off. Down here so chip off. And my foot like little 1 and 2 for my foot. But I can say, thanks be to God. That bitch I do it. This bitch. And guess what? My bike is still okay? See it then? There's a scrape, there's a bend, and that broke. But she good see him, man. I do some little minor. You see what I say? Just some little minor, my people. So I don't want to feel like nothing do me. Nothing to do me. It just was a silly mistake. I got a fall and I kind of cut my belly in a one kind of one. I not lie, my belly cut bad. Under my belly cut bad, so that's why I have to get all the stitches them and something about it.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set, we're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of minute up on the beat, and as you can see, on the screen, all the Paguan in Jamaica. You see my people, if people is not getting damaged by Melissa, they are damaging themselves by their motorcycles. You see me, as you know, celebrity TikToker Akeem say him drop off of one bike because one car run up on him and him drop. You see me, I say, and get little fake Halloween blood and all of these things. You see me, I say, this is what the sender is talking about. Because them say, one big scam I got on, you know, people can press pause and read what the sender said, you know. But basically, the sender say, this mother and Akeem a scam and come with one caca-fault story. You see me, I say, and Sky Diamond and TikTok liar busting. Because Akeem bought the bike from her peoples them. You see me, I said, but them never take no picture of the damage before them sell it, you know. You see me, I say, one bag of Sentinel go on, you know. So that's like, and share the video from now and let's listen to, you know, all of these people's parts of the story to see who is lying.
Sky Diamond says Akeem went to Buff Bay, Portland to buy a bike yesterday. He did not meet in an accident.
Good morning, my baby. Sky, you're wicked, you know? What are we about the people of Mission? What are we about the people of Mission? Mission about immediately.
You see? I can't believe
You
it.
see that girl? What make you call them out so quick?
Jesus.
What are we the people of gullible on TikTok about dash out their millions again, you know, darling?
Jesus Christ, sister, me have to save the people. Me could allow what happened to me if it happened to them.
Sister, you know, say quick about Mission you go on with girl?
Sister, me bad. Talk it true, sister. Me not even get
you go with yourself
about
this
Mission.
morning.
Because I prove me ready. I receipt me ready for job right now, you know, sister.
A serious kinds of got clapped down today, you know, girl. And you mash up the people and plans, you know?
Jesus Christ. The woman said nothing will do our
seriously.
son. And nothing will never do our son. You know, see the woman
say wicked people them this on TikTok. You know, say wicked. You know, see why God upset with we. A demon them up on TikTok, you know.
My gosh.
No, me prove it, you know, the woman literally walk with from the phone and go about the mission.
Duh. Sister, you feel like she could have known, you feel like she knows with that ear when she talk to the person?
Sky, yes, she know. Them know everything. Them know everything. Them know what them a do. Them know all of this, girl.
She said,
a modern time. We need to wise up.
She maybe know so we are here.
Gutter.
Sister, look at her. She maybe know we are here, but she may not think she know we are here the person on the phone because she say, let me go talk to me. Let me go say something to the live. You know that you the woman talk to her on the phone. She said she even said to the woman, say, me not say nothing. The woman I said to her, say, what you do? She fuck up the mission.
Yeah. Girl, let me tell you something. I gotta work, you know, because you see long run short catch, but we want the people them for wise up. But they not wise up, then go label bad, then living at the gutter, girl. Then living at the gutter. But guess what? I'm gonna rank people, let me know. Dash out to the kinds and give them. Make them richer and richer and richer.
You know, say
make you can laugh off of
sister, let me tell you when
say live like dog shit.
Sister, let me tell you when say up a bike shop. He say my smartest man pan TikTok. He never tell a lie, no? But when
one thing,
come with this
smart,
man, this not eh?
You're smart. Me have to give you flowers because you know where I go on.
Sister, me know the things them. Sister. Lord Jesus Christ. Last time. You know, so what
About the mission, you know, girl. Like it.
Yeah,
You
mother said
about
no, you
it.
know
Me
me
like
no
it.
dream. You didn't have to correct that because me ready for showing the same buy a bike. And you see, if you need to tell me same I go, but too bad me that making get it on a discount, even 50% off. But me never me can make him get a discount.
What a wicked people, them girl. Me in the comments here, them too wicked.
Big up yourself, my sister girl. Good morning, darling. My phone, it come like somebody a call my phone.
Ivany. 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 I forgive God thanks. It not have to be something wrong. Forgive God thanks. I forgive God thanks for every moment of the day. I forgot in city. I forget give God thanks. I for all strong. There's many things we are going through. A lot of people don't know. But when you come on the live and you cry and you sing to God, people always feel like there's something wrong. I'm giving thanks. I mean, I cry this morning because I give thanks. Yeah? It's not because of nothing or because of no ailment or because of no danger. My God is in the vessel and him smile at the storm. People don't get it wrong. Something wrong with my son, but they on Caribbean Airways from last night, from the day before, from this morning. Because I'm a mother. Okay? Anything happen to me bonus, I'll be on a flight to Jamaica. Wouldn't be seeing me on this live. I'm just giving God thanks for putting them through all of what them been through and everybody plus myself. Don't get it wrong. Please. Don't get it wrong, yeah? Don't get it wrong. Anytime when you see me come here, say thanks. A good things is coming. I mean, know. So we have to pray and take a time out. I tell you, tomorrow I have exam. Thank you. I have exam tomorrow. I give God thanks. I ask him to give me the brain for function. I give him thanks to care him know so me youth them come through the week. Them go country, them go yesterday, them go this and them come back safe. Me give God thanks to the people that will go down there and come back safe. People don't get it wrong. It's not everything is a downfall. It's not every cry is a sorrow. A cry is thanksgiving. Sometimes to all we feel good and I give thanks to God. Just tears, brother. Tears in every language, yeah? Remember that.
Putting at the comment section who you're feeling more is telling lie and telling truth. Follow me on TikTok, people, because we're going to Lego the card cleaning chapter today on the downloads of Dancehall. As you know, we Lego Akeem bottom business. You see me, I say we're going to Lego figure it out on too. Because we want to save the women them from getting them front, doodle up. You see me, I say, yeah. So only can read what the people them is saying about the scam things and put that in on the configuration when they listen to TikTok lie, You see me, I say, because them has been exposed in the card cleaning thing from what they hear. And now Skydam and bust the case with the bike thing though. You see me?
Already before them give your blood, somebody have to go up there
Have
to
to
give
go
back
and
that blood.
exactly simple as that. Where it must say now add up and it now makes sense. Better in this and then based on a lot of persons who have people who ride bike, all right, look on it. For example, when we drop off a bicycle, don't we skin scrape up? Even if we get a bit, so there's no scrape, just a one spot there.
And most scrape we get.
And no little gash and nothing, no scrape, just that one spot there. Blood a gash out with them supposedly stitch. Now, remember saying bleach. So the fact when bleach, him skin thin. All of that layer is gone from his skin. So let's say them can stitch it up. Them stitch it up. Or them allow you to come out of the hospital and then you still have blood seeping through that bandage and they allow you out of the hospital. And the way how him jump on that bike this morning.
Hold on, Miss Amos. Him just tell we say him get prescription. Watch figure it out in the comment. Me have your prescription. Him say him get medicine. Watch figure it out. Me have your prescription paper.
Yes.
Then wicked man.
He say get prescription. And that me get to.
He get medication, but look how we figure it out right. So how figure it out have the prescription paper and figure it out wasn't there. Jesus have mercy. What's the chat?
So after I'm done explain everything, he say he have a medication them figure pick up. Him never say figure it out. I picked up and he say him have it figure pick up, but him a go smoke first. And he show them the bike and then he jump on the bike. Somebody who have stitches can jump on bike. So
I hit this now, like this video. And him say let's figure it out with the lie. Me have your prescription paper. And then pin you know. Jesus.
Them are wicked. Them are wicked.
And me I try stop the bike and the bike flip with me and drop on me. That's what I say. I don't know if I can show it over here. I can't show them something there in my background.
Watch them pin the comment too.
This is just for them. Put something in my hand. That's what I say.
Not even IV. When I take out IV you take your hand, the bandage always a little bit bigger than that. Because you know.
The bruise. My body jaw so chip off. My side right is a chip off. Down here is a chip off. And my foot.
The man's skin perfect like he just wake up.
Exactly.
What can I say? Thanks be to God. That bitch.
Watch you now. Watch you now.
This bitch. And guess what? My bike is still okay.
The bike don't have a strip. The bike don't even have a little white thing off of the asphalt. Nothing.
You know when me hear somebody say, I think over Sky said, not more than he go on the bike and the bike a drop and the bike drop.
I do some little minor.
Nothing wrong with the bike. The bike clean.
I don't want to feel
the bike does old. It's not a new bike. So of course it's gonna have little things.
And
the wheel that people look like it has forced itself. You know when wheel or something there?
The tire look?
Yeah, like regular.
Okay.
I just say me I forget all the stitches them and something about it. She do it. Max, I'm all listening to
Watch you know. Somebody with stitches do this. Less than 24 hours. Watch.
Okay, bike clean.
Watch
how man jump on the bike. Look how the man jump on the bike. Look at the stitches belly, that even not a damn thing. Yo, them people are dangerous, you know? Watch the man, the bike they heavy in a chat.
Okay.
And when them mama clock.
Them are wicked.
Chat me gone left for you. Me can't manage with my fugazi. Yeah. Alright, nurse, tell we say.
Then you know what the worst part? His mother come for live, right?
Me pause it. Can't they mess up their car real? This real chat?
His mother come for live this morning and people are say, oh, his mother they live and she did their worship and a crying and say, only a mother knows, only a mother knows. So people are asking her what happened, man. You know, the chat got crazy and I said to her, say, you know, everything I got all right and whatever. And people are asking if you're in a hospital. She not say nothing, but she does a cry and I worship, say only a mother know. And only a mother can, whatever this pain. Right away when our moderator pin a comment, say, call me now. Yes, when she call the person, then this person not out loud. She come back and she said on the phone, say, me not say nothing. She come back and then, you know, she switch up and say, guys, And me exam, and some exam me have, and me just a worship, yeah, worship, and I said then sitting about an exam, and I like you fail the exam, yeah, prepare for your exam. So what kind of like, it's like the whole of them plan it up, but people start catching up on them and then switch it up. Them too lie and wicked, especially in a them time here where people need help.
And him, we are say him, and him, we're one of them, we are come out and say want help people. And look where do a scam people.
Not more than the bite money him want get back, so them plan up a lie. That.
Yes, then say $1 million in pay fee back at Portland. Hear me say last night somebody tell me saying buy a bike.
Yeah,
so I'm saying here.
A Sky getting news. Say him buy bike at Portland. So everybody has said, oh, you buy bike at Portland after that time they and meet in an accident and in a hospital.
And the delusional people, they gonna give them their money as usual.
Yeah.
So liar, me can't bother. If you just continue to rob them, yeah, man.
Yeah, me say stop worry about the people man them money, make the people then give him the money. Go over there, go give him the money.
Yeah, making continue.
Give them all them mortgage, everything.
Yeah, everything.
Them too gullible. That's the thing. So I'm afraid of them people up on the app, you know. You see all who need help, me rather carry it, go give them in my hand. Me want to see everything.
Chatting wicked, man. Chat look on the man on the bike. Chat me could look again. Wipe out in the eye. Make sure it's nasty good.
Later, me go back to work. Later.
All right, Miss Amos.
Later.
Have a good day, guys. Wipe out in the eye. Tell me when they're ready. Wipe out in the eye. Cause we never see
me did not tell a liar. Me say man go on the bike and see he unchopping face. No.
Guys, no wipe. They're ready. No wipe out in the eye. No wipe out in the eye. Wipe out in the eye. Cause we never stick good a while ago. Wipe out in the eye. Come.
Yeah. Crash off on my bike.
Put in the comment section, who do you believe? Only thing I can tell you is people, the FBI is involved with the card cleaning aspect of the scams. You see me, I say, these are the stories that these TikTokers are selling. That's just what they're doing, selling stories. You see me? And if you buy it, if you don't. I am just a messenger, so do the right thing. Subscribe to all of my platforms, then hit the notification bell so you be notified whenever I drop the latest or whenever we go live and chat the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.